All right, so now we are in our clean room. This is the room that when I envisioned a shop, we wanted to have not only what we felt like was one of the strongest paintless dent shops, but also one that rivaled any paint protection film or ceramic shop I'd seen. And we needed a room that we could apply these films and these ceramics cleanly by controlling the elements. So this clean room allows for that. It's got its own AC system, it's got its own light source, it's got its own garage door so that once you're in the shop, if a door in the back were to open, there's not gonna be any dust or lint or debris moving in the air in here. It is truly a clean room. These floors look amazing, but they also force us to keep it clean because it shows everything. We went with a full 3-stage epoxy on the floor. It's got some really cool colors mixed in with it. We also went with the hex lights, obviously, on the ceiling. This looks amazing in video and pictures, but it also makes it where when my technician is doing any polishing on a roof or any coating or any application of film, it allows you to use these lights for the actual install. We also, just like in the back of the shop, installed wall lights throughout the entire shop. This is gonna allow for us to be able to do things like, again, polishing the sides, even into window tinting. If you're a window tinter, you know that these vertical lights like this are really, really good for install. It allows you to see any trash and debris and make for a very clean install. Well, that's the name of the game for us. We wanna be efficient, we wanna be effective, and we wanna be really, really clean with our installs so that when a client drops a car off, we can do it once, we can do it right, and then get it back to them in the most efficient time possible, looking as amazing as possible. So we can't wait to use this room. We've got a couple vehicles in here that are being in the process of being paint corrected and ceramic coated. This is super exciting. This is the room that every customer so far that has dropped off has looked at it and said, holy smokes, what is going on in that room? And we've given them the tour, and we want to give you the tour as well. So we're glad you guys are here to see it. We're glad that we've got it, and we can't wait to put it to use.